open your book to page 96, and this is lesson 3.4. This lesson is about subtracting decimals. Just like additions, the key is to line up your decimal point. So example 1, it says subtract 6.07 from, so you have to subtract this from, so you have to put this on the bottom. So from 75.14. Okay, so subtract 6.07 from 75.14. So you have to subtract. So when you're doing a subtraction, again, if the 4 minus 7, not enough, so you need to borrow. So borrow the 1. So 14 minus 7, you can do 2 digits together in this case. So again, none of your decimal point. So 14 minus 7 is 7, so it would be 0, 7. Right? So again, 14 minus 7 gives you 7. So what you do is borrow. Okay, borrow the 1 from here, so this becomes 0. And the one you borrow is 10. Right? The one you borrow from here is 10. So 10 minus 7 give you 3, and 3 and 4 give you 7. Okay, again, so if you borrow and use the 10 to subtract, it's a bit easier to do. Now you go over here, 5 minus 6, right? Not enough, so you borrow from here. So borrow 1. So the 1 that you borrowed becomes 10 over here, right? So the 10 minus the 6 will give you 4. Okay, and the 4 plus the 5 will give you 9. And you drop this one, and that's it. Okay, so let's go to example 2. It says subtract 121.6 from 304.178. So when you subtract, 8 minus 0 give you 8, and make sure none of your digits, line up very carefully. 7 minus 0 give you 7. Now 1 minus 6, not enough, so you have to borrow from here. So borrow 1, so this becomes 3. Now the 1 that you borrow becomes 10, right? So use the 10 minus the 6. 10 minus 6 give you 4, and the 1 will give you 5. So use your finger to indicate how many is left over, right? So 10 minus 6 give you 4, and 4 minus 1 will give you 5. So now you got 3 minus 1. Don't forget your decimal. 3 minus 1 is 2. Again, now here 0 minus 2 is 9 enough. So you borrow 1 from here. So the 1 you borrow is 10. So 10 minus 2 will give you 8. And then after that, 2 minus 1 gives 1. Okay, and that's your answer. So make sure you just go down digit by digit. Let's go to example 3. It says subtract 1.654 from, again, the one that's subtracted from, you have to watch the order, right? So subtract this from 38.6. Now notice there are no digits, so you can just fill in the zeros temporarily. So this one you need to borrow, right? But notice that zeros, so you cannot borrow. So think of this as 60. So if you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 59, right? So you can 0, not enough to subtract, so you need to borrow 1. But this is also 0. So what you do is look at 2 digits together. If there are a lot of zeros, you just look at more digits. So look at 2 digits together. So 60, you borrow 1, it becomes 59. Okay? So now the 1 that you borrow becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6. And now you can go and subtract the next digit. 9 minus 5 give you 4. 5 minus 6 is not enough, so you have to borrow from here. So borrow this one, borrow 1, so this becomes 7. The 1 that you borrow becomes 10, right? Again, the one you borrow is 10. So 10 minus 6 will give you 4. And 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Okay. Then you use 7 minus 1, give you 6, and drop the 3, and that's your answer. So go down digit by digit. Okay, let's go to example 6. Example 6, it says subtract 3.24 from 12.8. So subtract 3.24 from 12.8. So again, you can fill in the 0 for now, subtract. So 0 minus 4 is not enough, so you have to borrow 1 from here. So borrow 1, this becomes 7. Now the 1 that you borrow becomes 10, right? So 10 minus 4 will give you 6. So 7 minus 2 give you 5, none of the decimal. Now 2 minus 3, not enough, so you look at the next one. Now since there's no digit, you can think of it as a 12 already, right? So 12 minus 3 will give you 9.